Hey folks, how you doing today? My name is Rob, and chances are if you're watching this video right now or you found this video in YouTube or what have you, you probably put in the search term phrase compare term life insurance quotes. And it's always a good idea to compare quotes without a doubt. You don't want to just get one quote from a broker or an agent and say, okay, that's good enough, let's do it. What's nice about me is that I've been doing this going on 22 years. So I've learned a thing or two about how these things work. And with that said, a lot of times when you go on the web, you enter in your information, and one of two things is going to happen. Either you're going to get the quote right away, or, and this is worst case scenario, you entered in all your information, and then at the end it'll say an agent will be in touch with you. Well, typically it's not one agent; it's going to be 5, 10. You're gonna get bombarded. I mean, I know how it works. A lot of these lead companies that lead you to believe that when you want to compare life insurance quotes, especially term, you're going to get the quote right away, that type of thing. It typically does not happen like that. It's just they're in the business to make money, and they will sell your information 10 times over to 10 different agents. With me, which is nice, my website is proprietary. It's just me. I'm the only one that sees your information, and I'm the only one that's going to be calling you if you do input your info. And if you go to the link below, you can click on my link. And by the way, my website is not done by any stretch of the means. I'm going to be adding more videos about different types of life insurance. But the main thing is that if you go to my website, you just enter in your contact info below. And basically just put in your name, your email, your phone number, that type of thing. And then in the comments section, just put the desired amount, up to $1 million. Typically, there is no paramed. In other words, before when you were trying to compare quotes and you apply, you had to do what's called a paramed, and that means that a nurse would come out, take blood work, urine, your blood pressure, heart rate, all that fun stuff. You don't have to do that anymore. Typically, up to $1 million. So typically, they'll pretty much within a day, maybe a couple hours, you will know if you've been approved or not for term life. So it's very easy. They really streamlined the process. So again, if you in the comments section on my contact page, just put in your desired amount. Any like health issues you might have, if you feel comfortable sharing that with me. Like I said, I'm the only one that sees it. And then any medications you're on, because I have a really neat software where not only does it spit out a quote, but it also will take into account your prescriptions and any medical conditions you might have, because then it'll actually give me the most competitive quote, and more importantly, it'll give me the best chances for you to qualify for that company. Because, like I said, a lot of times these quoters, they just give you a quote. They don't take into consideration any type of medications or health conditions you might have. And here's the big thing: is if you do apply, let's say you self-apply online, if you get denied, typically when you try to apply again, it'll ask, have you been denied before for life insurance? That's a big deal, because now you're really limiting yourself. So again, I have access to this software. Plus, I have access to an in-house underwriter that's like an expert in all the carriers that I offer. So I can get a second opinion from him. So anyway, again, when you want to compare life insurance quotes, I think the best thing is just go through a broker like me that's got, a lot of experience and is not captive. I can write anybody I want. So with that said, click the link below. Like I said, my website is not done. It's just kind of a temporary thing till I really get it up and running. But anyway, it'll get the job done. If you fill in that contact info, I can get back to you, and we can figure out what you want to do. All right, so thanks a lot for watching this video, and have a great day. Thank you so much.